A blast outside a mosque in the city of Herat in western Afghanistan on Friday killed a high-profile pro-Taliban cleric as well as civilians, police said. Mujib Rahman Ansari, with some of his guards and civilians, have been killed on their way toward the mosque, said Herat's police spokesperson. Razali did not say how many casualties the blast caused. It said the militant Islamic State's Khorasan branch has taken responsibility for the blast. The Taliban say they have improved security in the country since taking power around a year ago, but there have been several blasts in recent months, some of them targeting busy mosques during prayers. According to an Afghan journalist, a high number of casualties was caused by the explosion.